Hello, I'm Megan Edge, and I want to welcome you to Workshop Wisdoms. Here I share with you some of the tidbits of knowledge, information, and wisdom that come up during workshops and courses. I hope you enjoy.
Well, I love that you describe it as a treasure hunt. That's a great reframe for that whole process of looking for a job. It's a treasure hunt. And so there's a treasure map, and so you've got to follow the clues, and then you feel like you're getting closer and you get excited about it. So that's a really, really great reframe. Yeah, absolutely.
It doesn't show up when it's
Exactly.
it's gonna be soon.
Exactly.
Manifest it, which we're going to get today.
That's right. That's right. And there was a quote that a friend gave to me this week that I just love around for manifesting, which is that patience is not a waste of time. Patience doesn't signify a waste of time. It signifies inner confidence. And apparently that is the teachings of Heron. Heron the bird. That's the animal teachings of Heron the bird. Patience reflects inner confidence. I can be patient because I'm confident that something's going to show up. I really like that. Again, another beautiful reframe, right? Yeah, in space. Well, I know a lot of my clients make patience a bad thing. You know, I have to be so patient. It's like a bad word. It's not. It's not. It's something really powerful. It really, really shows trust. When you can say, I can be patient. You know, they say good things come to those who wait, but good things come to those who wait and do. Not just wait. You have to take the action. So that's the treasure hunt. I love it. I love it. Can you make a note of that for me, please? Thank you for watching my workshops and my talks. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughs, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I look forward to hearing from you and staying connected. Enjoy this amazing day.